Alright, how's it going? For today's video, I wanted to show how to enable ray tracing in your project, and then where you will set those settings. So first things first, we're going to open up project settings, and then go to rendering. From there, we are going to use the search tool, or just search for it, and find ray tracing, and just hit enable. Once enabled, the engine will need to be restarted. But before, what we're going to do is we're going to actually go under Windows, and then make sure that our default RHI is set to DirectX 12. This is where a lot of people make the mistake of not enabling that. Once set, you're going to have to compile shaders. Now once your shaders are compiled, you're going to want to go and find your main post-processing volume. From here, you can see things like ray tracing ambient occlusion, global illumination, as well as other ray tracing settings. I always recommend just searching ray tracing right here in your post-process volume, and that's how you can see most of them. You will notice a severe performance drop right away because shadows are enabled by default, and so are some other things. So I'm not going to go in depth in all of these settings, but basically you can change your bounce, the number of bounces, and the number of samples per pixel, and things like that. And honestly, it's a per project thing that you kind of will have to explore and see what's best for that. Okay, anyways, good luck. Hopefully this was a nice little tip video for you. If you want more little short videos like this, hit that subscribe button. If you need any help, please feel free to comment.